Hello, this is Jeff at Total Value RV. We have a special request video to see the controls on one of these beautiful 2020 Georgetown XL 369 units. Right inside the door by the step well on the left hand side, you're going to find the main power. This is the awning control. This controls whether the step goes in and out when you open the door or if it stays out. You got your outside lights, awning lights, and the aisle lights inside. Here's the control for your inverter. Inside the coach, right here by the kitchen, above the entry door, is your command center. And here you can check your levels of your LP, your battery, your fresh water, your black water, and your gray water. This turns your water heater on and off. This is the Arctic pack, which keeps your tanks from freezing. You can turn on your water pump here, and then here are the two controls for your two slide outs. So thanks for watching.